I always try to wake up before the rest of the family does because for me, self-care is filling up the cup you pour from.
Let's pray. Father God, we thank you for this.
I can't take care of my responsibilities if I don't take care of me first. Self-care is my God and me time. I love listening to sermons while I get ready for the day. It really starts me off on a good foot. Self-care is also marital care for me, and hubby and I love going on midweek day dates. And today, that's exactly what we'll be doing. We're even going to extend it into the evening because in this household, it's God first and then our marriage. And everything falls beautifully into place. I have a tiny bit of work to get done before we head to the Omni Hotel for brunch and then the spa. Who else likes to go halfsies on a meal with hubby just to get the best of both worlds? Brunch was good. My esthetician did not spare any expenses giving me that hydrofacial, and my husband enjoyed his massage. Later on in the area, we went to this really good restaurant, and because it was a midweek day date, we felt like we had the entire place to ourselves. Then we headed home to enjoy the rest of our night.